Hello everyone, this is Vartika from MedShots Mnemonics. So today we'll quickly learn about macrolides. The mnemonic is mm, mm. So you must be wondering what is this? There are four M's you need to remember. M. First M stands for mycoplasma. Second M stands for Mycobacterium avium complex. Third M stands for stimulating the motilin receptor. Okay. So and the last M stands for the methylation of the binding sites, which is a form of resistance for the macrolides. You all know what are macrolides, right? Macrolides, they are protein synthesis inhibitor. They inhibit protein synthesis by binding to the 50s subunit of the ribosome. Okay, so this way you can remember macrolides. First one was mycoplasma. Second one was Mycobacterium avium complex. So macrolides are effective against these. Okay, okay. The second thing which I wanted to talk about is this is something different from studies, but you need to know this that recently came out. Uh, I recently read a new post, and in that it was written that चैट जीपीटी उससे पूछा गया कि हाउ कैन डेविल्स डिस्ट्रॉय द माइंड्स ऑफ द न्यू जनरेशन एंड देन उनका एक जवाब आया चैट जीपीटी की तरफ से एंड जवाब सुन के यू विल बी लाइक यस ये तो हमारे साथ हो रहा है तो चैट जीपीटी ने सिंपल सा जवाब दिया नॉर्मलाइज डिस्ट्रैक्शन नाउ सी if you will normalize distraction, if distraction is made something like it's happening every day and it is normal to get distracted, then obviously your mind will become so destroyed, so unhygienic mind, I would say, that you would not be able to cope up with the cope up with yourself also, and you will not be able to work properly, and that's how you will not be a, a good potential person in the next generation. Okay, so that was the beautiful message that I wanted to give you. So please avoid distractions and get on the path of studying. And yeah, you should play, you should read books, you should do other things, but distraction, you all know your mobile phones, you need to shut these when you are studying. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel.